Alright, traders, this one is dedicated for all the people trading the Tron DeFi space, right? Tron, BTT, Wink, and Sun token. Now, these are trending, guys, as a lot of people in the DeFi space have really started figuring out some alternatives to Ethereum, which is cheaper, way cheaper to be honest with you, right? So guys, check this out. 299 subscribers, just one more to go. Hit that subscribe, go for that like. First chart we have is Tron, as this one is looking like a beauty today, guys. This one, like today is Tron's day, man. Today is completely Tron's day. It's looking amazing. Tron is up 25% for the day today, and most of the action is happening in the small time frames, as this one was a very good looking breakout or out of this inverted head and shoulder right here, and currently we are at the target. So guys, in the extreme small time frames, probably by the time this video is uploaded, I guess the price will come back down. Most likely will come back down to 77 cents, not 77, 7.7 cents, right? As this looks to me like an immediate short time frame profit taking area, as guys, this one broke out from this range right here today morning, and we had some volatile chop happening on Ethereum BTC. Guys, if you remember from yesterday's video, I was talking about how Ethereum can get extremely volatile, and because of which most of the assets will get extremely volatile. We saw a glimpse of that in the morning. It was crazy. It was fucking crazy, guys. Most of the volatility happening in 10 minutes, guys. BTC going down $2,000 in 10 minutes. Crazy, right? Crazy. Now these things would happen. You have to get used to it. This is the only piece of advice that I can give you if you are new to the space, right? Guys, look at this trend right here. This is amazing looking trend in the higher time frames as well. The 3-day, I guess this must be aligning with some of the major looking. Yep, you see what's going on right here. Every single time you come in a very violent manner to these levels, guys, you formulate a low which is higher than previous low every single time. So this was supposed to happen right here in front of your eyes. It happened, right? Breaking above this range right here. So guys, now I do have some interesting targets in the midterm for TRX. As look, most of the chops, most of the market breakdown happened in the third week of Feb, right? So most of the assets could be considered under a Fibonacci reaccumulation phase onto this entire region. So guys, look, the 2.618 is perfectly aligning with the 10 cents level, right? Which from the current price action is 26% move towards the upside. And guys, it looks to me like we're breaking above the 1.618 extension. Now don't get me wrong, if you keep on closing your 4-hour candles above the 1.618 extension right here, there is not going to be much stopping Tron from all the way towards 10 cents, guys. It could happen today or tomorrow as well, as this is volatility under expansion from a zero rate coming from these levels, guys. This was supposed to happen. Extreme volatile conditions for TRX in the small time frames. Volatility would have been nope. Volatility is still expanding, guys. This is a low volatility read. Very surprising, to be honest with you. Very fucking surprising. Although RSI is way fucking up there, but that does not mean anything. We do not have any divergence under formulation right here. So look, guys, in the small time frame, if you really want to go for this trade, obviously this is not going to be a financial advice right here, but you can aggressively manage your risks below this price point right here. If you break below this price point right here, you're going to be testing the 21 simple moving average right here, or wherever this average catches up at that particular point of time. But if you're closing your 4-hour candle above the 1.618 extension at 7.8 cents, guys, there's nothing stopping this one all the way until the 10 cents level, right? This could happen. This could be a good looking trade. Now guys, there is one more fact which is aligning with that price target, which is the Tron BTC pair, as this one is bullish as well, guys. Now this is the reason why we are looking at some accelerated up move in TRX, right? Guys, the macro, this 3-day candle is going to be closing in the next 8.5 hours, and if it closes above the 55 simple moving average, you're looking at this piece of price action right here, a 30% move to the upside, aligning perfectly with the 10 cents level on TRX, guys. This is aligning with the 200 simple on the 3-day time frame. Now this is a major moving asset. This is a major moving average right here. So do expect some turbulence or some consolidation or some profit taking happening on TRX against BTC on these price points as well, which is aligning perfectly with the 10 cents level. So guys, a lot of profit taking could happen in the small time frames. So if you are taking a trade along, well, the trend is towards the upside, so certainly a long trade. If you're going for a long trade on TRX, manage your risks very precisely on this one, as this is getting volatile. This has started getting volatile, right? It has started getting volatile. So expect a lot of volatility on TRX, guys. So this is the reason why your 10 cents level on TRX against USDT is a likely situation, most likely by today or tomorrow, or probably before the end of this week, guys. Now here are some macro targets as well. As I would like to call this one a revision, guys. I do have a long-term analysis on TRX. Do check out the videos from the past. I will be posting some kind of caption for the TRX video from the previous videos, I guess. Look, I don't know how to do all of these things on on YouTube, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm trying my best to grow this community, to grow this channel as well. So hit that like, go for the subscribe, and share this video as much as you can if you are really interested in trading Tron, and if you really want to be precise about your key levels of interest, where the profit taking could happen or where the dump could occur most likely. Guys, look, now your midterm profit taking for this, well, for the major chunk of bull run is going to be at 10.764. As guys, most of the NFT assets are also aligning, are also like key levels, key profit taking levels are alongside the 10.764 extension on the Fibonacci levels after the accumulation range happening for quite a lot of time, guys. This is a significant amount of time right here, starting at June 2018, ending right here at January, guys. This move has a lot of upside potential. If you're hodling Tron, you're doing good. You're probably holding a very strong looking asset against the US dollar, guys. So your midterm targets are going to be at 10.764, right? But you will be having a lot of turbulence at 2.618, guys. This would be aligning with the 10 cents level, 11 cents. You can extend the range, and your 4.236 as well. This is going to be your significant level of interest as well, right? And if you start closing some weekly candles above these price points, nothing going to stop you all the way until 10.764. Now the major profit taking will happen right here. Most likely we will be through, like, we'll be halfway through the bull run, I guess. Look, you can't really put some time frames into these analysis, but that could possibly happen, right? So guys, let's jump out on the next candidate right here. We have BTT. Now this one is trending like a beauty again. This one got accumulated right here, and ever since the expansion, we are still expanding. You're flagging out, you're going to the upside, guys. This one was a beautiful looking bull flag right here. You broke out, and have you met the target already? Looks to me like you have superseded the target, guys. This one got accumulated at the bull flag targets right here. So this was yet another squeeze which broke out today, guys. So I think we'll be looking at some sorry, could be looking at some potential further upside. No, you're quite at the target right here, as this is a wedge. This is looking much like a wedge. This is not like a bull flag right here. So guys, I do expect some volatile things happening for BTT against USD as well. So are you formulating any divergence on this one right here? Yep, you are. So if you are losing momentum on the 12-hour time frame on these levels, guys, do expect this divergence to play out at least to the 21 simple moving average and the 55 simple moving average henceforth. If you do lose out on the 21 simple on the 12-hour time frame, right, this divergence could come true. But the TSI, the stochastic, the momentum oscillator is telling you that this has just started expanding right here, which could mean that this momentum is going to continue towards the upside. And what are your particular upside targets, guys? I'm going to be taking this accumulation range right here, the bull flag range right here, and you're there at the 4.236. I was talking about the significance of this level right here, and you can see right here some kind of profit taking on 12-hour time frame is happening right here, right? If you are going to be closing 12-hour candles above this price point right here, there's not much stopping until this point right here at 7.61 extension, and your ultimate target being the 10.764 coming from this little consolidation right here. Now, if I do take this one out to this price point right here, and we consider this entire range as a macro breakout, guys, your ultimate targets are at 1.7 cents. Right now, this could happen. This could take some time. Things could extrapolate themselves, formulate themselves, get matured in terms of price action, and then we could go to those price points. But as far as you're trending above the 2.600 extension out of this entire range right here, you're completely fine holding BTT as well. So guys, I hope you are clear with the BTT price action targets as well. Let's just take a look at the extreme small time frames just for that matter. By that I mean the hourly. So guys, if you are aggressively trading this one, right, get rid of this. Like, if you're going leverage long on this one, guys, get rid of this right here. If it goes below this price point right here, it's going to be a chop henceforth, right? If you lose out on this level, your higher leverage trades are going to give you headaches, guys. Complete headaches if you're trading this one on leverage, but I doubt anybody is trading this one on leverage, as this one was a good hodl, guys. This one is up 20x in this bottom, right? So do expect some profit taking happening on these levels, and do expect some consolidation as well before we break to the upside for the further good looking nasty targets at 10.764, right? Guys, next up we have Wink. As guys, look, the entire fucking Tron ecosystem is growing. Your supreme leader Justin Sun is under control, is the master of puppets right now. So these are currently under trending most of these assets, guys. And structure wise, to be honest with you, this is good looking structure. This is good looking bullish structure. The price action structure, guys, very important factor if you're looking at these in macro time frames as well. Good looking structure right here, right? The 3-day time frame as well is certainly looking nice, as this one is actually, this one looking quite similar to BTT, guys. This one flagging out on these levels, squeezing, going up to the upside, meeting the target, superseding the target, and this one being a squeeze in the small time frames as well. You've most likely met the targets for this one as well, guys. But this is currently trend in motion. The RSI on 3-day time frame, look at this fucking RSI, crazy bullish looking RSI right here, right? Got picked up from the 70 reads right here and still trending towards the upside. If you are closing a 3-day candle like this, which is happening in the next 8.5 hours, guys, this one would want to trend towards the upside on your mid time frame basis. Now, if you lose this level, guys, on the daily on the daily time frame, now this is the most significant level I can see on Wink. It's this one right here, right? Now, guys, I'm not going to be spelling out this number, all right, $0.00041. Now, if you lose that out on a daily closing basis, then you can eventually come back and test the 21 simple, and you can talk about some retest of the 55 simple moving average right here. Ultimately, if you lose that one out, the 200 is always going to catch your back, always going to make the asset bounce, and always going to take it towards the upside. 200 simple on the bullish trend is your ultimate buying zone, So guys, any asset which is coming at the 200 simple moving average on a daily time frame, pick that one up. Not a financial advice, although, I mean, yeah, just got to ramble that shit again and again in every single video for that matter. Guys, this one was another looking inverted head and shoulder, as most of the Tron ecosystem are presenting themselves with some beautiful looking inverted head and shoulders, mostly meeting their targets as well. This fell a little short of the target right here, but is still under trending motion, which means that we could be looking at this price target and do expect some kind of profit taking happening right there, right? So guys, if the 12-hour candle is also closing like this is going to be continued towards the upside. RSI breaking clean from the 60 right here, guys. This one could actually trend, man. This one could actually trend. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is beautiful looking RSI signature right here. Now, you could have some turbulence. You can come back down. You go ahead with some ebb and flow in the market, like the general day-to-day thing, business as usual, up and down volatility chop. But if you're holding the structure like this, if you are making these lows again and again, guys, any price action to the downside which is going to be coming and formulating a low which is going to be higher than this low right here is going to be an opportunity for this one as well. And your upside targets, guys, you know the drill. It's all Fibonacci. It's all Fibonacci now. I do this every fucking time. All right. Okay, I'm going to be taking this range as your Fibonacci accumulation, as you do have a lot of significant piece of price action happening right here. You got rejected for 3 years on these levels. 3 years? Sorry, 1 year. 1.5 years. Now, this one has been since 1.5. Wink has been there since 1.5 years. Where is the time going, man? It looks like it's almost like yesterday when this one got announced, and I mean, it's just was Wink was like a Ponzi scam to me when I was looking at the price action back here, and it was dumping constantly right here. But guys, look, everything is picking up in the bull market. You do create some supply shocks in these cryptocurrencies, and they'll just fly to the moon. This is how the simple mechanics of the crypto space works, right? So guys, you're breaking clear of the 4.236 right here. This is your target. This is your potential looking target in the mid time frames. Now, this is your ultimate target, aligning quite neatly with the listing price right here, guys. This one got immediately fucked off to the ground after the listing right here. So you will be testing these levels very soon. Could happen this week, could happen next week. But if you're carefully taking care of your long exposure or your risks below these price points right here, you can simply stay long. You can go ahead with some spot exposure on Wink against USDT, and if it goes below this price point right here on a daily closing basis, on a 12-hour also, if you're really aggressive and really afraid of losing capital, then you can simply go ahead and dump this one on the market. Not a financial advice, but if you're maintaining this moving average structure, if you're maintaining this price structure right here, nothing's going to stop you until the 10.764 extension at these price points, right? Guys, next candidate, we have Sun token itself. Sun himself, Justin Sun himself, right? Money man. Tron Foundation is certainly a genuine team. They do develop some good projects, and they are there in the space for a very long time, so they are here to stay, right? But the long-term analysis price target for this one is at 168. Immensely crazy looking targets, currently standing at 400% from these price points. Well, oh my god, Sun is at 33 USD. Holy shit, something from the Tron ecosystem is at $33. Wow, all right. I had no idea. I'm doing TA for the first time on this asset right here, as this is actually quite a bullish looking leg right here, guys. This beautiful piece of price action, to be honest with you. 21 simple moving average on the daily time frame, guiding the trend like a charm, like a beauty. So your interim risk management areas are going to be this one right here. If you are going to be formulating a low below this price point right here, you're probably looking at a swing failure and a swing low, probably back down to these levels right here. And guys, you can go ahead with some Fibonacci analysis on this single leg up move right here as well. Considering this one to be the top, obviously this is not a top at all, guys. This is trend out of motion. Now this could certainly be a top if you see a lot of sells happening in the market right here. But if you have missed out on the train right here, wait for the 382 retest right here, which is aligning perfectly with the support line right here, right? So you could pick up some Sun tokens at 23 USD. Now, if it breaks below this price point right here, the 55 simple moving average is going to be there, supporting some kind of price action at the $18.5 levels, right? Aligning with the 600 extension. Perfect confluences for this one. This is very neat looking trend, guys. This is a very, you can go ahead and trade this one on intraday basis as well, as most of the intraday analysis would be smooth looking for this one as well, guys, as this is breaking out of the range again. I mean, range breakout, like every Tron ecosystem is that sorry, Tron ecosystem doing good today. It's Tron's day, guys. Look, your targets are going to be towards the 1.7. Wait, something's fucked up with this Fibonacci extension right here. All right, let's just simply go ahead and do some long-term analysis hocus pocus right here. So guys, look, 1.618 is yet another key important areas for your risk management, right? So guys, look, if you're losing this level right here, you can talk about these price points back again at 23, but your immediate risk management stands at 28.5. Let's just say 28.5 is your ultimate risk management, aligning with the 1.618 extension right here. As far as you're not closing any daily or a 4-hour candle, a 12-hour or a 4-hour candle below these price points right here, you're going to be testing the 2.618 extension, guys, which is looking good at $42 levels. Now guys, your ultimate target would be 7.618 at 113, and your major profit taking level is at 157. Now is it gonna moon tomorrow? Fuck no. Is it gonna moon in the coming weeks or months? Probably. It's going to be game of patience right here, as this one could get accumulated in this huge range right here, and you can let this moving average simply catch up to these price points right here, so that your risk management will be simply amazing if the moving average aligns with the support right here, especially at the 1.61 extension. Now that would mean that the $30 level for Sun token would be extremely significant in the macro picture as well, guys. Look, if you're trading this one on the small time frames, let's go ahead and chart this one out as well. On your hourly schedule, did you wick above? Yeah, you did wick above this price point right here, but if you do these kind of things, like if you take down the previous all-time high, you want to be looking at some immediate follow through, right? If you're breaking out of the previous all-time high and you don't have an immediate follow through, most likely that would be a swing failure. That is what happens, a swing failure pattern. So if you're long on Sun right here, on Sun token right here, just drop it. It's probably going to hurt you. This position is probably going to hurt you. Wait for this price point to come back here again at 28.5, and then think of some long exposure in the market. That would be some nice looking risk to reward opportunity. All right, guys, I think I'm done with this video right here. I'm going to be wrapping up this one. Let me know down in the comments if you're actually using the Tron DeFi ecosystem, and let me know if this one is better than the BSC ecosystem, guys. I'm currently farming some pancakes on the BSC ecosystem with the money which I'm just losing. Guys, look, there is something called as an, what is that thing called? Holy fuck. All right. Looks like I just completely lost the chain of my thoughts right here. I'm going to be catching you guys on the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.